As an installer, you constantly meet technical documents, nameplates on equipment, datasheets, wiring diagrams, and warning labels. Reading them confidently prevents errors and protects your safety. Let us decode the most important ones. Start with the nameplate, the label fixed to every piece of equipment. On an inverter, it gives the model, the DC input range, the AC output, the protection rating, the temperature range, and the certifications. The string must stay inside those input limits. The protection rating, the IP code, tells you where a device can live. The first digit is dust protection. The second is water. For our dusty rooftops, IP65, fully dust-tight and water jet resistant, is the minimum for anything outdoors. Warning labels must be recognized instantly. A lightning bolt in a yellow triangle means shock risk. Isolate and verify before opening. A dual source label means 2 power sources inside, and both must be isolated first. The most important diagram in solar is the single-line diagram. It shows the whole system on one line, from the panels through the fuses, isolators, and inverter, to the meter and the grid, each part labeled with its rating. A critical detail is polarity. PV cables are marked plus and minus. Before the final connection to the inverter, check with your meter that plus reads positive. A reversed connection can destroy the inverter in seconds. Wiring diagrams show connections, not the physical layout. A line between 2 parts means they share a conductor, not that the wire runs in that exact path. Learn the few common symbols and they become easy to read. So read the nameplate, respect the protection rating, recognize the warnings, and always verify polarity. These documents are the language of the trade, and reading them well marks a true professional.